is our robot.
And
Yeah.
it could be Andy.
Okay.
So our robot, and all the stuff that it uses, it fits in the home base.
Yep. And our timer. Oh wait.
It's
Our timer for 2 minutes 30 seconds is here.
It's less than a foot, which is 12 inches.
Yep.
So,
And
it's not 12 inches, but a foot is.
yeah. Okay. And so let's just begin the robot runs. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay. This is good. Okay, shoot. Dude. Alright, let's go. Come on. You don't do the program. Okay. Come on. Come on. Did you lower it?
Yeah, we did.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright. So we have a minute 54 seconds.
50 seconds.
52. And the cube made it! Yes. Okay. Please. Okay. And it's raised to the second level. Now for the box show. Oh, okay, red cube.
Awesome, awesome.
Okay.
Ready.
You're ready. Okay, good. Okay.
Keep going strong. Come on.
Come on.
Good
Jig.
You have a minute and 17 seconds left.
Okay, come on. Oh! Okay, that's actually really good. Dang it. Okay, so one figure out.
One figure out and then two base.
Come on, boys. 38 seconds left.
Oh,
36. Quick, you can do it.
Oh,
Quick.
okay. Go. We might have time for the dance party. Oh no.
It gets stuck.
It's stuck. Oh, there we go.
Okay.
Starting over.
Okay, good. You want to take these points and do the dance party? Quick.
Yes.
10 seconds left. Quick. Dance party. Quick. 7,
Dude. Okay.
6, 5. Come on. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job.
Okay.
Alright,
So let's just show the mat afterwards. It kind of broke, but so the red cube was out and everything is lifted. So only one minifigure came back to base. The other one didn't even get off. And
all of the cubes that's in there, well, they were in there, but it got a little messed up because of.
yeah, because of the dance party, but they were all in there.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
No,
That's 9.
that's 35 points. And then
This one's on. What's that?
that's one on pink. It was really close to yellow, but it's on pink.
And then we got 3 health units. And we got our
Innovation project. Okay.
Yeah, it's
Good job, boys. Good job.